Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm at KMS Body Repair in Luton and here to do a dry ice cleaning on the BMW M4. Guys, you can just see this is what we're going to be cleaning, kind of just all underneath, and it's a good chance to see if there's any leaks or anything. There's a little leak here on the diff seal. It's quite normal, but we'll be able to get all of this cleaned up. You can just see inside the arches as well. Guys, the most important thing with dry ice is to put the right PPE on. You don't want to be handling that with your bare hands, so I've got this thermal gloves, put some goggles on, a mask, and it's really well ventilated. That's why the ramp's outside. So you need to have that because it's CO2, you don't want to be breathing that in. Guys, pretty much finished with the dry ice cleaning, so I'll just show you how it's come out. And the plan is, you can see the difference there, it's taken a lot of the grime off. And what we'll do is, like, for example, we'll give this a little polish and stuff, and just tidy up whatever we can as well. Obviously dry ice cleaning is part of the process, but it's done a really good job, particularly on this aluminium cover. You can just see inside here as well, much cleaner on the lower arms. And obviously we'll get Obviously we'll get the wheels and things done as well, just clean them up. Right guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. At the end of this video I'll put all the details for where you can find KMS, but a really good job. Dry ice, obviously something really new in the UK and really easy to work with, so come and see us.